Hello and welcome to Filamet Focus, the podcast where we dive into everything related to the Virtual Foundry's metal 3D printing filaments. I am Austin Triggs and I'll be your host as we explore tips and tricks, answer frequently asked questions, and keep you updated on what's happening behind the scenes at our facility. If you're in 3D printing, whether you're an engineer, educator, or hobbyist, this podcast is for you. We'll cover best practices, new product developments, and even sneak peeks at what's happening next. So what can you expect from Filamet Focus? I'll tackle common questions we hear from our community of users. If you've ever wondered about the best way to print filament, how to improve your sintering results, or how each step in the process can affect your final results, we'll talk about it. I'll also share practical tips to help you get the most out of your prints. Whether you're dialing in your printer settings, avoiding common mistakes, or optimizing your workflow, my goal is to make your experience with our materials as smooth as possible. Beyond that, I'll keep you updated with what's happening at the Virtual Foundry. That means product updates, event announcements, and sometimes a little insight into what we're working on behind the scenes. While I won't reveal anything just yet, you might hear some early hints about what's in development. We created Filamet Focus because we know that using metal 3D printing filaments is a little different than traditional FFF 3D printing. There's a learning curve and we want to help you through it. Whether you're just starting out or you've been using our materials for a while, we want this to be a resource for you. We've got a lot of great topics lined up, but I also want to hear from you. If you have any questions, ideas, challenges you'd want me to cover in future episodes, let me know. And with that, thank you for tuning in to Filamet Focus. Don't forget to subscribe to Filamet Focus on your podcast player of choice. Check out our show notes at thevirtualfoundry.com/filametfocus and email us at info@thevirtualfoundry.com. Happy printing.